Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology, and in this video we are going to study about research methodology in political science. And first of all, I welcome you all in this video, and let's start. Due to lack of research methodology or a developing research or scientific research, the political scientists of USA, that is United States of America, themselves had suffered a lot as comparison to the scholars of thinkers of natural sciences. For a political scientist, the knowledge of nature of political aspects, scientific methods, their forms and nature, and factors regarding scientific analysis is necessary, because if political science becomes careless or suffer from lack of being methodological, our whole discipline can suffer badly. Even behavioralists themselves couldn't contribute a lot in this direction or in this process of making our subject a real science. Political science precisely comprises all aspects of life and has a great impact on various spheres of society. Because of having no research technique our subject has to face many ill consequences that can be seen below. Here we will see one by one what are the ill consequences because of lack of research techniques and research methodology in our discipline. So let's have a look. First one is, even though the subject matter of political science is considered as most important for all, it is not placed according to its importance and contribution. Second one is, all other disciplines had made tremendous progress comparatively. Lack of prediction regarding conclusions of different aspects of subject, and despite having including different aspects and being comprehensive subject, still this discipline is not so strong enough to be helping for the humanity across the world. Therefore, this is need of the hour that a better research methodology should be developed by this discipline to place it at a deserving position all over the world. This is a need of research methodology in political science, because when we talk about not only about India but about the other countries, especially for the Western countries themselves, who present which about those countries of Western world which present themselves as the most developed and most advanced countries of the world. Even there is we can see some kind of ignorance regarding research methodology in political science. And when we talk about the political scientists as compared to the thinkers and scholars and writers of other disciplines, especially when we talk about natural sciences, our subject, we feel that it has suffered a lot comparatively, or as compared to the natural sciences. And for a political scientist, being a science or to develop scientific techniques is most important, because a political scientist has to concentrate over each and every field, as far as, because human behavior is the core element or center of our subject. And we want to understand human behaviors aspects, and the prediction regarding human behavior or political aspects is the most important. Therefore, scientific techniques, scientific methods, and research methodology or political analysis tools of political analysis is the most important. And we have mentioned here some ill consequences which are because of lack of research methodology methodology, we have or our discipline has suffered a lot, and still is it is suffering badly, and for a bright future, or for the future of our subject, it is necessary to keep pace with the other subjects, that it develop its own research methodology, or scientific techniques and methods. So we have seen here some ill consequences, and which are very important when we talk about the importance of research methodology in a subject, especially political science. As first one was, even though the subject matter of political science is considered as most important for all, it is not placed according to its importance and contribution. That's mean, if political science is not placed according to its importance and contribution or status, which should have been occupied by our subject, if such situation is there, or such situation arises, that's mean there is a strong need of research methodology for our subject. Second one is, all other disciplines had made tremendous progress, and which we feel that our subject, although such discipline which has a great impact over all these spheres of life, and all other disciplines have developed a lot, but this is not the situation with our subject. So this is some kind of such a sorrowful thing. And next one is lack of prediction regarding conclusions of different aspects of subject. When we talk about the stages of scientific methods, there comes the prediction, possibility of prediction. And when we talk about political science and its core element, human behavior, we do not find any fine prediction, we can say, there. And this can be considered as a shortcoming of our subject, despite being most important discipline when we talk about present and future. And last one is, despite having including different aspects and being comprehensive subject, still this the discipline is not so strong enough to be helping for the humanity across the world. Here comes the main and basic point, that is humanity across the world. And our discipline, it shows that how important the research methodology is when we talk about the humanity. That is the thing. And all disciplines revolve around this element, that is humanity. And to for the prediction, for the development, for our subject to be placed according to its status. And last one is for the humanity, it is mandatory or need of the hour that our subject, our discipline, must have must use scientific methods, and must develop research methodology, scientific methods and techniques. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.